So we need to remove the AC unit that's hanging off of the garage side wall. Maybe paint this green gate. Junk these bricks perhaps in the hose. There's a fridge in the garage that probably needs to be junked anyway, so I would put a junking fee on the quote if the seller doesn't remove it. It's very turquoisey. Rekey this door, back door, screen door behind it, garage door, and the garage door to the exterior. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 doors that need to be rekeyed. The 2.5 inch blinds that we like are already installed in a lot of the windows. It's pretty much what we like. I don't know if we want to remove these here. A lot of the ceiling fans don't have a light kit. I can't breathe through my nose right now, so I'm having a hard time figuring out if there's a smell, but I think there's a cat pee smell in this house, which may not be a big deal because it's a 1-story, so just pull up the carpet, which is really dated anyway, but I'm pretty sure I smell something. Lots of dents in this fridge. It needs to be replaced. The counter is very odd, looks like it was installed poorly, so I think it needs to be replaced, which is fine, because then you'll have a really beautiful granite counter. The cabinets look pretty bad. It's some of the worst shapes that I've seen, so I think it needs to be sanded and painted, and new cabinet pulls installed. Dishwasher actually looks okay. I personally like this light, but we'll get the property manager's opinion. And this mantle's, well, special. We have a little pet door. I guess that's where the cat smell comes from. Oh, so this screen door doesn't need to be rekeyed. I was wrong. Sorry, that's 4 doors then. Sorry. What's going on here? Junk a bunch of those items on the far left. And that's an interesting little patio thing. And that's why we have property managers. Remove the satellite dishes. And I'm not going in there, but at some point we need to find out what's in there. So replace these. Full repaint, by the way, partly because of smell and partly because it's dated looking. And there's a shot of the tile. I'm gonna head into this den office thing. These are textured walls. Remove all these various cords throughout the property. I'll just keep moving to the right. Really nice, large laundry room with a sink, which is fantastic. Cabinets need to be repainted. This door needs to be repainted. Everything needs to be repainted. We have a garage opener on the double door, not the single, which is totally normal. Most people use this area for storage anyway. Remove this. I think this exterior door needs to be replaced. I'm not sure. Junk that fridge and various items. Replace this light switch with something that's not like that. Probably remove that towel holder. That's a pretty dated looking fan. I don't know if you can tell in the video. It's $150 to replace it. Probably worth it. We'll get the property manager's opinion. We need some actual doors that work on that closet. Coat closet, because the garage door is right there. Cabinets need to be repainted. Tile looks fine. And we need a shower rod. Let's get a new toilet seat and replace the little drain ring. Fix that. repaint. No light kit. I know it sounds like I'm naming a lot of things, but this isn't the worst property I've seen. Like, we're talking about repaint, replacing carpet. The tile looks good, so that's nice. These counters look fine, although I'm not sure about the sinks. That's some sort of paper that's been glued onto the light fixture. We need 2.5-inch faux wood blinds there. Replace that drain ring. Replace the toilet seat in here. I don't really want to touch anything in here, but yeah, that's about it. All the doors need to be painted, and the baseboards are pretty iffy. Okay, that's the property.